This is actually a really good lighting. Makes my skin look really nice. Look at how light influences everything. Now it just became a horror film. Should we stay at the horror film? No, we can. Oh no, what happened? You are just adjusting. No, horror film is not very. Yeah, this is better. It feels as if I'm gonna teach you my nighttime skincare routine. I should not laugh too hard because this camera setup is quite delicate. We are challenging the laws of physics, so I should not move very harsh or very abruptly. Adverb. So let's take this emotional support with here. So with here, with me. I am not the same person ever since I got back. And maybe you can see that. Or you can hear. Why am I speaking like this? Because I am trying to soften my voice, but then it knows how to properly do things. So it squeaks in different directions, I guess. And also I can just speak like how I would normally speak when I'm alone. Yeah, I guess that's better because otherwise it will just be too. I feel like the way I'm speaking, sometimes it feels like I'm jumping from one stone to another. Like I'm in this shallow body of, or maybe not even shallow. I don't know how deep the body of water, and you know how usually, or maybe even a flood, or I'm not sure. Sometimes it so happens that where there are stones in the body of the water, and since we don't want the shoes to be wet, we jump on them. And I feel like sometimes when I'm speaking, I jump like that. And there are many different stones in here. And I feel like I'm always figuring out which stone is the most stable that could carry me. Or if not, I wobble and I try to balance, but then I figure out that it's not the best stone, so I transfer on the other stone. I guess that's how it feels like, at least when I'm constructing my sentences sometimes. This is constricting my facial movement, so just please give me a second. Okay, that's stable because you didn't fall. Maybe I think you moved a bit. I'm not sure because the light kind of changed. So what I'm gonna share is I should not whisper. I should think about the long-term effects effects of whispering, and I should not do that. So, it doesn't matter if there's a person. I should go straight to the point. I have taken 7 minutes already, but you can always fast forward this as you may have known. So this evening, I had a very fun dinner making procedure because this evening I taught myself to do more with my left. Is it called limb? I'll just call it arm just to be safe because I'm not sure if it's limb. I have experimented on teaching my left arm and hand to do more chores because I think I figured something out. Of course, I'm not sure. I'm just guessing because yeah, I said before when I was at the physiotherapist, it's really weird to speak it's really weird to speak when you know if you're that people may hear. It's so weird. I cannot speak properly. I can speak better when I'm alone. And now I feel like this is my first day that I can use my tongue in speaking and not eating. But I'm gonna try still because I'm getting very distracted by the door outside and it's constantly opening, closing, opening, closing. So yeah. So like what I said, there have been some discovery in my left when I went to the physiotherapist and she gave me some exercise to make it better. And it's mostly due to the fact that this is lacking some major circulation. This gets numb and cold a lot of the time, especially this part. Now it's cold actually while I'm touching it. So, and it's not just this. Also, she found that this is weak and I have a lot of things going on in these and also these and of course this in general. So you can also guess that this is they are all connected and just not one isolated case. And I forgot what made me have this theory earlier, but now I'm teaching my this part of my body to do more of the chores, because doing chores gives more movement, and movement prompts circulation, and it strengthens not only this but this as well, because I am trying to visualize my back muscles every time I'm doing something with my that requires this movement or something like this, because it's not balanced. And also, what I think what made me reach that conclusion is that I might be left-handed, but most of the chores, this is the one that does it. A lot of them. I don't know. I literally don't know how to use the scissors with my left hand. It doesn't work. It may work if the scissors are sharp enough, but it doesn't work if like, just imagining, I don't know how to hold a scissor properly with my left hand. This does basically everything: the cooking, the ironing, everything. The only part of this is the creative part. I paint with my left, I write, I play guitar, but the rest, this is the one responsible, or this is the knowledgeable one. So now you can piece the puzzle together, why this has become weak. Because this is the one doing most of the things, but this is just, writing is not very really as much as ironing, right? Writing is just, you see, it's, and I also try to do things or chores or with this side, because I've become more mindful that this is the one that's moving most of the time. But then it has been like that ever since. So you could imagine the years of very little movement having consequences on this side, and why this is called with it's less blood flow. And I literally noticed this, how much knowledge this one lacks when it comes to chores earlier, while I was washing the dishes. This one, apparently, it doesn't know how to wash a spoon. It's just the moral support. It's just the one that's holding, and then this is doing the rest. Because I'm telling you, I was having so much fun washing the spoon, the pans, even mixing the food. This doesn't this doesn't know how to mix the food properly. This doesn't know. I'm like, well, how do I mix the food? I'm like this. I'm like, am I cooking or am I doing aerobics? Really, really, try this. Do you have does your do both of your hands do both of your chores or all your chores, or is it so that there is only one dominant hand? Because if you only have one, if you have a dominant hand, you probably will have the same experience as me when you try doing the chores with your less dominant hand. It feels like a whole new world. It feels I felt literally well I was at the sink earlier washing the spoon. I feel like I'm 5 years old, and it was the first time my mom was teaching me how to wash the dishes or the glass or the pot or the plate. It felt like I was 5 years old, and that's the first time because literally. You could try that for yourself so you would know that you will have a spiritual experience. And with that also I can feel it here. I can feel it here what I'm doing with my left hand. I can feel it because I'm visualizing my back muscles to work as well, and not just because mostly the movement gets stuck in here. That's why this gets sore. And the physiotherapist told me that this does both of the work for this and the back muscles. So that's why this is painful a lot of the times. So now I'm trying to think of my lower back muscles, like not lower back and near the butt, but these muscles, upper back, I guess, muscles. And I'm thinking of that while I'm doing everything, so that I had it so in my brain that I'm sending messages to the back muscles and telling them, hey, you do your part, you contribute, you don't sleep. It's like that. So, and I guess it works because I can feel, especially now, I can feel it like it had just did that. I just did a workout. It has, I can feel the muscles. Maybe because it's weak, and also I have felt things that I have not felt before in the physical layer of my existence. Maybe because more blood flows, and also on my face it starts. I can feel it, and also I have another hypothesis that maybe it's also because I can feel the eye muscles on the back like this. And when I was early, when I was doing the chores earlier, more on this side, I can feel the muscles sort of loosen up on the back of my eye, and it's less painful. And I'm thinking maybe it's because of the blood flow. Maybe it's like that kind of, you know how in the old factory when everything is dark because it has not been used for the first time, and it has not been used for a long time, and someone just walks in there and does this to the main switch, and it activates everything, and so it doesn't do that all at once. It's like the lights go one by one, and some of them are blinking like it felt like that actually. It felt like that on this side of my body. It felt like the lights while I was doing the chores and mixing my food. See, I I don't really know how to mix the food with this. I didn't know about that until today. I'm like doing this. Like I said, am I cooking or am I doing aerobics? But yeah, it felt like that while I was doing my chores and feeding myself. It felt like a factory being switched on and like it was such an experience, and I feel like I'm very happy because of this. I feel like all is good in the world because of this. Maybe it's the increased blood flow and it brought some nutrients to my brain. I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe now that the blood is circulating better, it's affecting my well-being. Well, my well-being, I don't know. I just felt happier, I guess. So that's the adventure of tonight. I'm teaching my left side to do the chores, and that's gonna be continued. Of course, I'm also teaching balance, and I'm not just gonna abandon this, of course. This is a good boy. So, yeah, I'm curious about your experience. I think I already asked you what I want to ask. Is it about the dominant hand? Do you have, or do you use them equally? And if you haven't tried, I highly recommend trying using the less dominant hand. It's magical. It's magical. And it's fun. Very fun. It's the most fun I have had in the while. So, see you.